Okay, I'm back. This is Keith All, and we're going to continue on where we left off. So let's now center these. Let's center this within this box. Okay, that's fine. Now let's select this, center it, and we'll do the same thing. Let's stretch this out so it's on one. And then click on it, click on the center icon. Okay, let's go back to the original. I think what is up here, it should be okay. So now let's just clone this box element, which includes both the image element and these text elements. Now I'm going to click on clone. Give it a few seconds. There we go. Now let's drag this over. So let's clone it again. There we go. Okay, now let's just re-edit these. Let's see, let's double click on this. Let's highlight it so we can just copy the text. Let's center that. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's center it. Okay, we should be fine there. Let's center this. And when I click on center, that means that this text element is currently sitting on top of this box element. So it's going to center this element within this box element. It's not going to center it within this outer box element. So just to let you know. Okay, now let's do the last one. Let's go over here. Same name, male body trainer. So we should be okay. Let's do this though. Okay, it's centered already. So now all we have to do is change these images. So let's click on the image element, click on the pencil icon to edit it. Let's go to General Settings and click on the Change Image button. And we're going to select this one. There we go. And now let's do the same thing for this last one. Okay, let's scroll down there. Let's click on our Save button, make sure our changes are made. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to make sure these elements, let's scroll back up here. We're going to do this. We're going to straighten out these elements. Let's center this box element. This is going to be centered within this panel now. Okay. Now these elements within this box element are going to be centered within that box element. Let's straighten this out. Let's do that. And then, there we go. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's actually left justified. So we're going to change these text elements to make sure the text is left justified within that element. Let's do this. Which it is, it's left aligned. So we do that. Yes, discard. Let's do the same thing for this. And it's left aligned. So let's cancel out of this. An easy way to do this, let's see, first of all, let's go over here. Okay. Let's just move this over just a bit. Okay, if we want this item to be left aligned at the same area as this one, what we could do is click on this first one, hold down your shift key, and then click it again, and you get these options. Continue to hold down your shift key and click the next item. Now what you want to do is vertical align it. So that way these two elements now are left justified at the right vertical area. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, now let's do this box element. So let's see. Let's click on this. I'm using the down arrow key on my keypad and the left arrow. Okay, let's do that. Now, what we want to do is we want to make sure all these box elements are lined up properly, meaning at the top area. So let's see how this one is set up. Let's go over here. Let's select this. Okay. Now I want to make sure that the tops of these boxes are vertically or horizontally aligned with this one. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on it. Continue to hold the shift key and click. Shift key and click. And now let's do this align horizontally. So now everything is aligned properly. Now let's just make sure that these are evenly spaced apart. So let's do this. Let's click on this. Let's move it over. I'm just using the arrow keys. Okay. Now let's do this. Okay, that looks good. Now click on Save. Okay, in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to finish up this panel, and we're going to finish it up by adding a button to this box within this panel itself. So we'll do that, and we'll be done with this panel. So I'll see you on the next video, and I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot by building this website. You're learning how to edit things and space things out properly, cloning things so you don't have to repeat some tasks. So we're learning a lot about the Cheetah Builder. Again, please like, share, and comment. And also subscribe to the channel, so whenever a new video is ready, you'll be notified for you to start viewing it. Thanks again for supporting this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.